Most people think they'll never need a car emergency escape tool. Right up until the second they actually do. And by then, it's too late. I've seen cheap seat belt cutters snap, window breakers fail, and drivers panic because the safety tool they bought online was basically a toy. That's the scary part. When an accident happens, you don't get a second try. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 car emergency escape tools that are actually worth keeping in your vehicle so you can avoid wasting money on junk and choose something that could genuinely save your life. And real quick, if you're into real-world automotive gear reviews without the fake hype, hit subscribe. I test this stuff like someone who actually cares about reliability. I'll leave the best updated deals in the description, and if you're unsure what safety gear fits your car or driving situation, comment below and I'll help you out. Alright, let's start with number 5. Coming in at number 5 is the Smossen SafeHammer 2026 upgraded safety hammer. And honestly, for the price, this thing gives you more confidence than a lot of the cheap no-name tools floating around online. The first thing I noticed is the build quality. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to store inside a center console or door pocket, but it still feels solid in the hand. You've got a hardened steel hammer tip for breaking side windows and an integrated seat belt cutter tucked safely into the handle. The grip texture also matters more than people think, especially if your hands are wet or shaking during an emergency. In real-world use, this is a good option for daily drivers who just want a simple, affordable emergency tool without overthinking it. Here's where this really stands out: it's small enough that you'll actually keep it within reach instead of throwing it in the trunk and forgetting about it. Compared to ultra-cheap escape tools, the cutter feels sharper and the hammer tip feels more durable. One drawback though, it's very minimal, so you don't get extra survival features or mounts included. But for basic emergency preparedness, it does the job well. Now the next one fixes a problem most people completely overlook: accessibility for multiple passengers. At number 4, we've got the 4-piece Godeco emergency escape set. And honestly, this is smarter than buying one single tool for the whole car. Instead of one escape tool bouncing around your glove box, you're getting multiple compact window breakers and seat belt cutters that you can place throughout the vehicle. The design is simple. Spring-loaded window punch, protected blade cutter, and compact plastic housing that's easy to grip quickly. They're lightweight, easy to store, and designed for fast access during panic situations. This is what most people don't realize: if your emergency tool is only reachable from the driver's seat, passengers are out of luck. In real-world use, having multiple tools inside different areas of the car is actually a huge advantage, especially for families or rideshare drivers. The spring-loaded punch also makes breaking glass easier for people who may not have enough strength to swing a hammer effectively. The only downside is that the plastic construction doesn't feel as premium or heavy-duty as higher-end tools. But for convenience and coverage, this kit makes a lot of sense. Now we're stepping into something a little more serious. At number 3 is the Swiss Safe 5-in-1 emergency car safety hammer. And this thing feels like it was designed by someone who's actually thought through emergency scenarios. You're getting the classic window breaker and seat belt cutter, but also extra survival-oriented features built into the design. The handle feels sturdy, the hammer points are aggressive enough for tempered glass, and the overall construction feels much more durable than the average bargain bin escape tool. It's still compact enough for daily use, but there's definitely a more heavy-duty feel here. In real-world situations, this tool is ideal for drivers who want more than just the basics. Here's where this really stands out: the grip and weight distribution make it feel easier to control under stress. Cheap tools can feel slippery or awkward when adrenaline kicks in. This one doesn't. It also feels more durable long-term, especially if it sits in a hot car year-round. One honest drawback though, it's slightly bulkier than minimalist escape tools, so you'll want to think carefully about where you mount it. Now if you want something that feels genuinely professional grade, this next one is hard to ignore. At number 2 is the ThinkWork car safety hammer. And this is one of those tools that instantly gives you confidence the second you pick it up. The build quality is excellent. Heavy-duty metal hammer heads, solid handle construction, secure blade placement, everything about it feels purpose-built for emergencies. It's not flashy. It's functional. And honestly, that's exactly what you want from safety equipment. Some versions even include mounting brackets, which is a huge plus because a safety tool is useless if it's flying around under your seat during an accident. In real-world use, this thing feels powerful. Breaking tempered glass requires force and reliability, and the heavier hammer design helps a lot compared to smaller plastic escape tools. This is what separates emergency gadgets from real emergency equipment. It's especially good for trucks, SUVs, or drivers who spend a lot of time on the road. The only drawback is that it's larger and heavier than compact options, so storage placement matters more. And finally, number 1, the Amazon Basics Emergency Escape Tool. Now I know some people are surprised seeing this at number 1, but hear me out. This tool nails the most important thing in emergency gear: reliability without unnecessary complexity. The design is simple, clean, and effective. You've got a hardened steel window breaker, protected seat belt cutter, ergonomic grip, and compact form factor that fits easily in almost any vehicle. No gimmicks. No fake survival marketing. Just a straightforward emergency tool designed to work when you need it. Here's where this thing dominates in consistency and usability. In real-world situations, simplicity matters. Panic changes everything. Fine motor skills disappear. You want something easy to grab, easy to understand, and easy to use under stress. This tool does exactly that. The seat belt cutter is sharp, the hammer tip feels solid, and the compact size makes it practical for everyday carry inside the car. This is what most people don't realize: the best emergency tool is the one you'll actually keep nearby and remember how to use. A lot of fancy survival tools become clutter. This one stays practical. One drawback? It doesn't include advanced extras or multi-tool features. But honestly, for most drivers, that simplicity is actually a strength. So here's the bottom line. If you want a simple, budget-friendly option, the Smoson gets the job done. If you've got multiple passengers or family members, the GOT-ECO set is smart because you can place tools throughout the vehicle. If you want added emergency features and a more rugged feel, the Swiss Safe is a strong choice. For heavy-duty confidence and pro-level durability, the ThinkWork hammer stands out. But if you want the best overall combination of simplicity, reliability, ease of use, and real-world practicality, the Amazon Basics Escape Tool is the one I'd recommend to most drivers. At the end of the day, nobody buys an emergency escape tool hoping to use it. That's not the point. The point is being prepared before something goes wrong. Because in an actual emergency, cheap gear and bad decisions become very expensive very fast. Check the description for the best updated deals on all these tools, subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews, and comment below if you want help building a complete car emergency kit. You now know more than 90% of drivers out there go make the right choice.